Leçon 2. Didou, sait, compter. Page 32. Let us count and write the numbers in French. Voilà dash fromage. Here are dash cheese. Huit. Voici dash souris. Here are dash mice. 5. Voilà dash escargot. There are dash snails. 6. Voici dash bonbon. Here are dash candies. 9. Voilà dash singe. Here are dash monkeys. 3. Voici dash oiseau. Here are dash birds. 7. Page 34, exercise 1. A. Number 1 is 20. Answer is D. 20. Number 2 is 30. Answer is C. 30. Number 3 is 21. Answer is B. 21. Number 4, 17 means 17. The answer is E. 17. Number 5, 15. The answer is A. 15. Page 35, exercise 2. Write the numbers which come before and after the number given. The caterpillar is color coded so that for each color we can find the before number and the after number for the given number. First, the given number is number 2, the. For that, the before number is 1, and after number is 3, 3. Next, we will go to the blue ones. Middle number is 15, 15. The before number is 14, 14. The after number is 16, 16. Let's move to the yellow ones. The middle number is 19, 19. The before number is 18, 18. The after number is 20, 20. Let's move to the purple ones. The middle number is 11, 11. The before number is 10, 10. The after number is 12, 12. Let's move to the red ones. The middle number is 7, 7. The before number is 6, 6. And after number is 8, 8. Exercise 3. Write number in letters as given in the example. Example, if we see, we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. In French, we say 3 plus 2 égale 5. Let's go to the first question. 2 plus 7 equals dash. The answer is 9. When we write in French, 2 plus 7 égale 9. Let's go to the second question. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 8 moins 2 égale 6. Let's move on to the third question. 19 minus 10 equals 9. 19 moins 10 égale 9. Let's move to the fourth one. 20 minus 12 equals 8. 20 moins 12 égale 8. Let's move to the fifth question. 16 plus 4 equals 20. 16 plus 4 égale 20. Page 36, exercise 5. Reply to these questions. Number 1. Combien d'amis avez-vous? Means, how many friends do you have? You need to write the number in French. Question number 2. Combien de crayons avez-vous? How many pencils do you have? You have to write the number in French. Third question. Combien de livres avez-vous? How many books do you have? You have to write the answer number in French.